How to cancel HelloFresh without losing your data. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel your HelloFresh subscription without losing your data. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the account icon at the bottom right and then select subscription settings or manage subscriptions. And there you'll see options to either pause or cancel your subscription. So simply choose pause if you want to take a break, but you can keep your data and preferences saved. And with that, you just have to follow the prompts to confirm, and pausing keeps your account active and all your info intact for when you come back. And if you decide to fully cancel your data, is usually saved for a limited time in case you want to reactivate it later, so there you can check the terms for details. And that's it. That's how you can pause or cancel your HelloFresh without losing your important account info. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.